equation or Lorentz law of force. Okay, again we all know that is the Coulomb's law of force. F it should be equal to, that is the law of force in the electric field. The law of force is here you see the charge with the electric field intensity, the product of charge with the electric field intensity. So similarly, if you are considered the magnetic field, so the force in the magnetic field it should be equal the charged particle moving the particular velocity. Here the v is the velocity in the magnetic field, sorry, magnetic flux density. Here it is the electric field. Once without the electric field, the magnetic field will not create. Okay, so the F into E, that is the force in the electric field, then force in the magnetic field. The force in the magnetic field, we need to consider the magnetic flux density with respect to the velocity. That is the Q into V cross B. Okay, so here that is the Q into electric field. That is the charge into electric field. Here charge moving particular velocity in the magnetic flux density. That is the force in the electric field and force in the magnetic field. So the F it should be equal. That is the resultant force. That is the Lorentz law of force. The resultant force it will be equal to sum of the force in the electric field and the magnetic field. So Fa plus Fm. Okay, Fm in the sense that is the force in the magnetic field. So you can substitute it here. The Q is the common. So you can take it commonly. E plus, that is the electric field, plus velocity with multiply with the magnetic flux density. This is actually the Lorentz law of force equation. This expression can be called as Lorentz law of force equation. It means that the total resultant force in the circuit. Okay, so that is the Lorentz law of force. Okay, F equal to Q is the total charge which is present in the circuit, and electric field it is created, then the magnetic flux density. So the flux in the sense here, it may the velocity, the charged particle can move particular direction with as well as particular velocity. That is why the V is came. Okay, that is the actual Lorentz law of force equation. This can be called as Lorentz law of force equation. If you have doubt, you may ask. Okay, thank you.